animals chilling here. Whoa, we got another group here.
Wow, fruit!
Let's get the fruit!
Stay away from it!
Hey, what happened? Why are you sad? The pig attacked me for a fruit.
Guys, the pig attacked me. All right, let's have a challenge. Whoever wins the fight will get the fruit.
Take this!
I will not leave you. Take this.
Oh no!
Get away from here.
Wow, check this out. Now the fight is between hen and a duck. Oh no, duck lost the fight. Now the fight is between bison and buffalo.
I will not leave you.
Take this. Get away from here.
Now the fight is between sheep and pig.
Take this!
Pig has lost the fight. All right, the next fight is between T-Rex and mammoth.
Take this.
Oh no! What are these guys doing? Hey, stop! Why are you fighting?
We are fighting for the food.
Don't worry! I got food for everyone! Now no more fighting!
Oh my god, we have zombie animals inside the cage. Whoa, check this out. Donald is here.
They're making a lot of noise! Shut up! Stop shouting! I can't bear this! I am going out!
Oh my god, zombie animals are out of the cage.
We have to get away. Look, there is a train.
Huh?
Come on, let's get on the train. Let's go. It's my turn.
The zombie animals are getting away on the train.
Oh my god! Where did they go? Hello, Gorilla! The zombie animals have escaped! Please find them!
Do not worry, I got this. There they are. Take this. Let's get the others. Take this. Got you.
Thank you, Gorilla, for getting them back. You are awesome!
Whoa, Donald is here.
Hey guys, come on. We need to go out and have some fun.
Yeah, you're right.
Hey Donald, come on. Let's go out.
All right, let's go.
You're amazing, Donald.
The black bison is here. Oh no, the black bison has seen the animals.
Oh my god!
Huh?
Oh my god! The black bison is here!
Oh my god!
Guys, run!
Oh no! Donald! Get away from him!
I will not leave you!
I am going to end this! Take this! How dare you attack us?
Oh my god! Let's get away from here!
Wow, Donald is here.
Let's read Booker today. This is interesting. It is about the golden bison. This can solve all my problems. Let's go and find the treasure. Hey, horse, let's go.
Someone is coming for me! Let's test him and see if he is worthy or not!
Hey, Donald, I need your help. The animals are getting drawn away.
Oh my god, where are they now?
Help! Somebody please help!
I got you.
Thank you for helping us!
You're welcome.
I need to test him again! Somebody please help! I am stuck here!
There you go.
Thank you for helping me! He passed all the tests! Hey Donald, congratulations!
I don't know what are you talking about.
Here, take this!
Wow, a treasure box.
You earned it!
Wow, it has turned into a giant house.
Finally, Donald is living a happy life. Whoa, what happened to the animals? Why do they look so sad?
It is very boring today.
Wow, the black and white bison are here.
What happened to these guys? They look very sad.
We should entertain them. What do you say?
You're right!
All right, everybody, look here.
What is it?
What are they doing?
That was very funny.
Wow, looks like the animals are liking it.
Let's do it again.
Yes! Whoa, look at him.
Let's do something else.
Whoa, look at the bisons. They are playing seesaw.
Do it faster!
Wow, the bisons are dancing now.
You guys are awesome.
We don't like to see our friends sad.
Thank you guys so much for making our day special.
Wow, Donald is here looking very excited today. And the animals are here having their food.
We had a really good walk today.
Hey, horse! Here is your food!
Whoa, look, the T-Rex is here.
I am feeling very bored today. Let's go and ask them to play with me. Guys, would you like to play with me?
No, go away from here.
Guys, would you like to play with me? Get away from here.
Oh my god!
Guys, would you like to play with me?
No, we will not play with you.
Guys, would you like to play with me?
No, we don't like you. Go away.
Nobody wants to play with me. What do I do now? Wow, ducks! Hey, ducks! Oh my god! Guys, you want to have some fun?
Hey, look at you. You're very funny.
Yeah, you're right.
Wow, look at the ducks playing here with the T-Rex. Finally, T-Rex found some companions to play with. Whoa, look at the Donald having fun out here.
The view is very beautiful. Whoa, that's a lot of damage.
Oh no, Tiger is here.
What do I do now?
Let's attack him.
Don't hurt me.
I was about to attack him. How dare you come in my way?
How dare you talk to me like that?
Take this.
Where did he go? I will not leave you.
Oh my god!
I have to do something.
Take this.
Hey, here.
Oh no, T-Rex is going after him.
Whoa, Donald is in danger. I need to save him. Take this.
T-Rex is down.
That was so close. Thank you so much.
Come on, let's go. Hey, stop right there. You are not allowed to go in.
But I want to see the animals.
Get out of here.
How dare you?
Look at him.
Whoa, what is Donald experimenting?
This is going to work. Let's give it to Bison. This is going to be interesting.
Whoa, Bison has turned into a zombie.
Follow me.
Oh my God. Please don't kill us. Thank God.
Oh my god!
Oh no, Bison has entered the zoo. There are so many animals in here. He's going after the animals.
We have to capture the bison. Hey, right here. Got you. Take this.
Bison has turned back to normal.
Hey, stop. You belong in there.
Finally, the zoo animals are back in the cage. Wow, look at the animals here chilling in the farm and having their food. And look, Donald is here with the tiger.
All right, Tiger, take care of the animals.
Hey, cow. Is everything all right? Hey, sheep. Do you need anything?
I am good.
Hey, Tiger, we ran out of water.
Come on, follow me. Here is your water.
Oh no, Bison is here.
Oh no!
You cannot stop me. Take this.
Oh no!
I will not leave you. Take this. I am going to teach you a lesson.
It's time to end this. Take this.
Hey, Tiger, what are you doing? Get off me.
The bison is down. It's a beautiful morning today. Check out the beautiful garden. Whoa, the animals are here in the farm. Oh no, rabbits are here and eating all the carrots.
Whoa, they're getting away. Guys, come here. See what happened.
Hey, what happened?
The rabbits are disturbing the garden, and there is no electricity for water.
Wow, colorful bison is here.
Hey, guys, what is the problem?
Our garden is destroyed, and there is no water.
I will help you. Get the equipment.
rabbits are back!
Don't hurt us. We are here for the food.
I will show you some place.
Wow, there's lots of food here.
Come on, guys. Have fun. All right, let's get to work.
Yes!
Wow, they have the electricity now, and they can grow plants again. The garden is restored. Look at the animals here chilling in the farm. Whoa, the T-Rex is here.
Oh no, guys, look there.
Oh my god, the T-Rex is coming into the farm.
Oh my god!
Guys, run!
Oh no, I have nowhere to go.
Looks like the animals are in trouble.
Help! Somebody please help!
Let's go and stop him.
Oh my god!
Get away from him.
Oh no, I am trapped down here.
Now tell me, what are you doing here?
I was looking for some food.
You should have asked him nicely.
I am very sorry.
I got you.
Thank you, Mammoth, for helping me. Hey, Sheep. I am very sorry. I was just looking for some food. Can I get some food to eat?
Come on, let's go.
Finally, the T-Rex got some food to eat and a shelter to live. With the help of Mammoth, the peace has been restored in the farm. Wow, Donald is here with the black horse. Whoa, where is Sheep running?
Let's have some fun with him. Take this.
Oh my god, my leg! Help! Somebody please help!
Do not worry, I got you.
Thank you so much. You are awesome.
Hey, check this out. Help! Somebody please help.
Huh?
Help! Somebody please help.
I need to stop him.
Help! Somebody please help.
Hey, stop! Take this. Get away from here.
I will not leave you.
Take this. It's time to teach you a lesson.
Help! Somebody please help.
Take this.
Let's get away from here.
There you go.
Thank you, horse, so much for saving me.
You're welcome. Let's go back to farm.
Wow, look at the colored cows here. Looks like the animals are relaxing in the farm. Oh my god, the tiger is here. Oh my god, he's going after the animals in the farm.
Please leave me.
Oh no!
Oh my god!
Get away from here!
Oh no!
How dare you!
I have to divide them. Let's manipulate this cow.
How dare you come back? I have to tell you something. You are the strongest of all. I know that. Guys, I am strongest amongst us.
I am the strongest.
No, it's me.
Oh no, cows are separated.
Yes!
Few moments later.
Oh my god, tiger is after the cow.
There you are! Who will save you now?
Help! Somebody please help!
Huh?
Help! Somebody please help!
Huh?
Get away from here. Take this. You are surrounded. It's time to teach you a lesson. I am sorry, guys. We are stronger together.
Wow, the cow family is here.
Wow! There's an apple! Let's go and have it! Wow! More fruits! Today is my lucky day!
Oh no, the baby cow is getting separated from the family.
Oh no! Where did everyone go? I am lost! What do I do now?
Oh no, tiger has seen the cow.
Oh my god!
Let's get away from here! Help! Somebody please help! Help! Somebody please help!
Oh no, the cow is trapped.
Help! Somebody please help!
Whoa! Someone is in trouble! Hey! Get away from me!
Take this.
Let's get away from here.
Hey! Hold on to this rope! Let's go to your family!
Mom! I am back!
Wow, Donald is out here with the horse.
Let's drink some water and take some rest!
Oh no, mammoth and bison are fighting here.
What is that sound? Guys, stop! Why are you fighting?
I am the king of this forest.
No, I am the king of this forest.
All right, whoever wins the fight will be our king.
That's a great idea. I am going to win this.
Take this.
I will not leave you.
Take this!
How about now? Accept your defeat.
Whoa, other animals are here.
Take this!
Oh my god! Help! We're stuck here!
Are you guys alright? I hope you are not hurt.
I will not leave you. I am the king of this jungle now.
Hey, Bison! We do not accept you as our king!
What are you saying? I defeated him.
You are not concerned about the safety of animals. A real king should not be selfish. And hereby, we accept Mammoth as our king.
I will take care of him later.